Hematite and magnetite are formed from iron 2 and iron 3 oxide. Fe2O3 called hematite and mixed iron 2 and iron 3 oxide, that is Fe3O4 called magnetite. Let's see how to prepare this. 100 ml 10 molar iron 3 ammonium sulfate are added to 50 ml 10 molar iron 2 ammonium sulfate. Now, addition of aqueous ammonia to the iron 3 solution gives a brown iron 3 oxide, that is called hematite. And addition of aqueous ammonia to the mixture of iron 2 and iron 3 solution gives a black Fe3O4 solution, that is called magnetite. Then placed both of these hematite and magnetite near the magnetic to test their magnetism. In case of hematite, there is nothing to observe, but in case of magnetite, they are strongly interacted with magnetic.